Hi there, I'm Gemma Leggett with Remax Hallmark, and today I'm very excited to introduce you to my newest listing at 432 Travis Drive in Newmarket, Ontario. We are right around the corner from Trails and Parks, right around the corner from the 404 and GO train station. So come on in, let's check it out. This spectacular property features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a basement apartment finished with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom downstairs. So you also have hardwood floors, pot lights, crown molding, and it sits on a beautiful ravine lot. I hope you enjoy this tour. If you have any questions or would like to get a private showing, please call me. I'm Gemma Leggett with Remax Hallmark, 416-824-7475.